Good morning, dear students. We were reading chapter number 3, GUI operating system and introduction. Let us continue with the topic putting Windows to sleep on page number 32. Now, when we are not using Windows, we can put it to sleep mode so that we can save electricity even when our computer is plugged in. How we can do it? We'll have to follow these steps. Click on the start button first. The start menu will appear. From the menu, click on shutdown arrow. A menu will again appear. Click on sleep. Windows activates sleep mode. To return back from the sleep mode, we will have to press the power button from our system unit. Our next topic is restarting the computer or warm boot. Now, why do we restart the computer? We restart the computer if it is not working properly to fix the problem. How we can do it? First of all, click on start button. The start menu will appear. Then click on shutdown arrow. A menu will again appear. Then click on restart. Windows shuts down and our computer restarts. Our last topic is shutting down the computer. Now, when our work is complete or we finish our work, we turn off the computer or shut down the computer. Let us see how we can shut down the computer. First of all, click on start button. The start menu will appear again. Then click on shutdown option. Windows 7 shuts down and the computer turns off. Now, do you know? Put a tick on this do you know and write learn it. The start menu can also be opened from the Windows key on the keyboard. We can also press this Windows key to open the start menu. Now let us start doing our exercises. Before we start with the exercises, let me remind you that you have to learn these self-evaluation points also. So put a tick on it. Now exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Windows 7 was developed by Microsoft. First answer is Microsoft. Second one is the bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. Third is start button is present on the left corner of the taskbar. Third answer is start. Then fourth is sleep mode means that the computer is in a temporary low power mode. Next is when you restart your computer, it is known as warm booting. Now let us go to fill in blanks. First answer is desktop is the final screen that appears after switching on the computer. Write desktop in the first blank. Now second is Windows is the most popular GUI based operating system. Write GUI in the second blank. Third is the start button is present on the left corner of the taskbar. Fourth is start menu lists all the installed programs in the computer. Write start in the fourth blank. Then fifth is GUI and CLI are two types of user interfaces in OS. Now true false. First one is you can open a program by double clicking on its icon. It is true. Second is the user interacts with CLI based operating system by typing commands. It is also true. Third is you cannot move the icons on the desktop. It is false because we can move the icons on the desktop. Now fourth is mouse pointer is a small arrow present on the desktop. It is true. So answers for true false are true, true, false, true. Now take out your notebooks and start writing the question answers. First question is what is an operating system? Answer is operating system is a software program that controls overall activity of the computer. Operating system is a software program that controls the overall activity of the computer. Second is, what is booting? Answer is, it is the process of starting and restarting the computer. Second answer is, it is the process of starting and restarting the computer. Third question is, differentiate between CLI and GUI interface. Now for this answer, divide the portion in two parts. In the first column, write CLI as the heading, and in the second column, write GUI as the heading. And you will write two points for each. Now CLI, first point is, the user uses keyboard to type commands. For CLI, first point is, the user uses keyboard to type commands. Second point is, example, DOS, DOS, DOS. For GUI, first point is, the user uses mouse to access windows, icons, etc. The user uses mouse to access windows, icons, etc. Second point is, example, Microsoft Windows. Now question number 4, what is the use of screensaver? Answer is, it prevents screen burn-in on CRT displays. It prevents screen burn-in on CRT displays. Now these were the types of monitors in earlier times. Now fifth question, how will you return your computer from sleep mode? Answer is, to return our computer from the sleep mode, we will press the power button of system unit. To return our computer from the sleep mode, we will press the power button of system unit. Now let us start defining the following. Definitions also you write in your notebook. First one is taskbar, the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. Its answer is, the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. Now second, start button. Its answer is, it is located on the left corner of the taskbar. Answer for our application based question is GUI. This you will write in your book itself. Now the components of desktop you have to learn from the lesson and write them here. Now do all these exercises and learn them.